Given points are A 213 and B 8 minus 1 0. Required vector is opposite to that of vector AB, so we require a vector in the direction of BA. Now vector BA equal to OA minus OB, where O is the origin. Substitute the values of OA and OB and calculate vector BA. We will first find a unit vector in the direction of BA. For that, we calculate the magnitude of vector BA. Using the formula for magnitude, we find that modulus of BA equal to 7 units. So unit vector BA will be 1 by 7 times vector BA. Required vector will be 21 times unit vector BA.